Hello everyone, if you're trying to play Hytale and you keep getting this problem, an error occurred while launching Hytale, please validate or uninstall your game files in the settings menu, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to fix this annoying problem on Hytale easily. So first off, what you're going to do is you're going to close out the Hytale launcher, and once you're done closing out the launcher and the game, now you're going to open up your start menu, you're going to write here run, and then you're going to write here app data. Now you're going to go to your Hytale's location, so the default location is this. You're going to go into your roaming folder, you're going to go into Hytale, and then you're going to go into install, release, package, game, and then you will have this latest folder here, and you'll also have a file here named assets.zip. So what you're going to do is you're just going to delete that assets.zip file along with this latest folder. So just delete both of these things. After that, what you're going to do is you're going to restart your computer, and once you're done with the restart, now you're going to open up the Hytale launcher, but make sure to run it as administrator. So you're going to right click on it, click run as administrator, and run the Hytale launcher as administrator. And then when you run it, it will ask you to update or validate your game's files. So once you click onto the play button, it will revalidate and re-download the files that we just deleted, and that will revalidate our game's files, and that should fix your issue. So there it is guys, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.